that's composing. In art, you also have composing. Composing is the creating of the piece, you know, and that germinating that to fruition. One example is how you transition, how you elicit a three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface is a fascinating phenomenon. And you see that relationship in art and music because you may have like a major chord may sound bright, a minor chord may sound dark. So a major chord has a bright sound, a minor chord have a dark sound. And the reason why a major chord have a bright sound and the reason why a minor chord have a darker sound, it has to do with, you have to study the diatonic scale. The diatonic scales was extracted from the chromatic scales to form the